Forget what they tell you about the latest stock tip or market trend. The real secrets to unlocking infinite wealth lie not in complicated financial instruments, but in profoundly simple yet really practiced principles. The first truth nobody tells you is that your greatest asset isn't your portfolio. It's your mind and your time. Investing in your skills, your knowledge, and your network yields returns no stock market can promise. Imagine doubling your income potential through a new skill. That's a far more immediate and powerful return than waiting decades for a stock to mature. Another profound secret is that true diversification extends far beyond simply buying different stocks or bonds. It means diversifying your income streams. Relying on a single job or business for all your cash flow is a massive unseen risk. Cultivate multiple avenues for income. Whether it's a side hustle, rental property, or intellectual property, this creates resilience, allowing you to weather economic storms that sink others. Here's a challenging one. The wealthiest investors often achieve their success by doing less, not more. They don't panic during market downturns, nor do they chase every speculative boom. They understand the power of inaction, allowing their long-term strategies and compound interest to work their magic without constant interference. This requires immense patience and an unshakable belief in the long-term growth of productive assets. Perhaps the most uncomfortable truth is that financial success isn't about avoiding risk entirely. It's about intelligently embracing and managing it. Most people are risk-averse when they should be taking calculated chances, and reckless when they should be cautious. Learn to distinguish between speculation and strategic investment. Understand that volatility is not risk itself, but merely the price of admission to higher returns. Finally, the ultimate secret isn't about accumulating money for money's sake. It's about leveraging wealth to buy back your most precious commodity, time and freedom. Money becomes a tool for experiences, for learning, for contributing, and for designing a life on your own terms. True wealth isn't a number in a bank account. It's the ability to wake up each day and choose how you spend your moments. Start seeing investing not as a game of numbers, but as a strategy for a life lived fully. This shift in perspective fundamentally changes how you approach every financial decision, moving you closer to genuine abundance.